What I have to do now? Maybe I have to read. Or not. Maybe I have to try write something. What I don't read. Maybe I have to plan for the next week. Or maybe should I take just a rest from everything? I feel tired. Why I entered this journey? This is my actual life. Complain, 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 then a lot of complaints. Do you feel the same?
It's time for my self doubt and fears to come out. I can't believe the quantity of self doubt and fears come up with this rebuilding journey. I can't be in such an tiredness emotionally and physically as well. And I think this is quite normal because it's hard for making our mind in state of change and adaptable with the new changement. Absolutely, I am trying to include slowly because my mind wants to stay in my comfort zone because every change means an effort, hardness, and dryness, and it's never easy to do it and to be into it fully. It's a joyful pain, and I have only to know how to enjoy being in these 183 days and just giving it my all. And because I have to start somewhere, so here we go. This is the situation of my wardrobe. I feel like I am sinking in clothes everywhere. So I have to do something about it. Firstly, out all my clothes and make them in front of my eyes. Free my wardrobe and all clothes exist in bags. And look to this big mess. I am now doing the first operation in this case. I start to just fold every piece with thinking if I had been wearing one time in last 3 months. And if the reply is yes, so it's okay. Another way, it's going to out my wardrobe forever. And finally, I organized everything and looked to the result of the things I haven't wearing uh, last 3 months. So this is. So I said goodbye to them.
Been searching for a book translation in Arabic for hours. But guess what? I didn't found it. So I decided to just read it in English. Yes, you hear well, in English. And please don't forget, this is me. I didn't go and read more than short stories and small articles in English. But I make myself in a journey, in a reading journey in 616 pages in English. I'm not afraid. I'm not nervous, but I will do it. This is really. It started to be uh, like a purpose of date or life. I will do it, inshallah. So I don't have any other choice. That's why I opened the PDF and I start reading. Wish me the good luck. Don't forget. And really, the book is too much interesting because I decided to read every day 50 pages, and just you cannot imagine really how much words I haven't seen them before in my whole life. It is interesting. Really, you feel like you are What is this? I was reading and studying English. Really? Why I didn't know about this? It's really like, but yes, I will know. So this is the time. In other hand, I have finished three novels in Arabic. So like, just I don't know, but I feel like I was really needing to just make myself and my mind just calm down something. So I just sit down and I have been reading for hours. So I completed three novels, and it was a good time because I haven't read novels for so long. So it is really feel like I can back my word. Absolutely, you are curious about where my seeking of job reached. So, really, I wanted to share with you this funny story. Like, since 10 days, I have applied for any offer come in front of my eyes. I don't care about my like field or my anything. I just applied for anything. Then guess what? In these 10 days, just my phone was with me most of the time. I was really feeling afraid if I will just take my phone at room, then someone will call me for a job, then I will miss this. But guess what? And all the time when I heard my phone ringing, you cannot understand, like the butterfly open on my heart. So the job is calling me now, now really the change will start. But guess what? Just one family member in another room beside me feel lazy to call me directly, so he used the phone. Actually, just he wanted me to carry something for him. Do you feel bad about me? I feel so. Do you want to hear the sound inside my head? I am not enough. What if I cannot make any positive change in my life? What if I will feel? What if I will be alone? What if I am doing something wrong? Should I stop? Maybe I am giving myself just a fake hope. Deserve the love. A lot of what ifs inside my head. Since I started this journey, it has left 16 days in this challenge. But I'm saying and saying to myself, I'm not doing something bad. And what I have to do is just trying until the end. Because I believe if someone wants something too much truly and try for it too much hardly, so it will come. So this is